All right, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for one of the most beautiful fighting aircraft of all time. From World War II, the P-51D Mustang. The P-51 Mustang, considered by many to be the best overall fighter of World War II. Believe it or not, the aircraft, when it was built by North American Aviation, was not built for Army Air Forces during the war. It was originally built for the British. We knew the British would have very limited manufacturing capabilities, and the P-51 was built by North American Aviation. One of the fascinating things is, from the drawing board to the first flight was only 110 days. That's like unheard of when it comes to designing an aircraft. And the P-51, of course, went on to serve in every theater of the war, carrying 650 caliber machine guns, the P-51 Mustang. You can see those large black and white stripes on the bottom of the aircraft. That is markings from World War II Normandy invasion. Allied aircraft were painted with these black and white stripes to help identify them, because again, there would be so many aircraft in the air at one time, and the Allied aircraft continued to carry those black and white stripes all the way to final victory in May of 1945. P-51 had a long service life, not only serving in World War II, but was also pressed back into service at the beginning of the Korean War in 1950. When the aircraft was equipped with external fuel tanks, they were capable of escorting bombers all the way from England to targets deep inside Germany and all the way to Berlin. There's a nice look at those invasion stripes on the P-51 Mustang. P-51s produced more aces during World War II than any other fighter. To become an ace during the war, you had to shoot down at least 5 enemy aircraft. The amazing thing about these aircraft and the pilots that flew them is they didn't have all the modern avionics that we appreciate today in modern military aircraft. You had no airborne radar. Matter of fact, you didn't even know who was on the other side of the cloud. It was pure advantage. Whoever saw whoever first got the tactical advantage. Watch now the P-51 Mustang back in from your left, just the way it might have looked over 70 years ago on a low-level strafing mission over the skies of Europe. A nice 4-point roll in the beautiful P-51. The P-51 Mustang, known by bomber crews as the Little Friends, even though aircraft like the B-17 had so many gun ports, so many weapons, they thought originally these planes could fly without fighter cover, but of course that was proved absolutely incorrect. And the B-25, the B-17, the B-24s, the Liberators, all needed these aircraft to help escort them to the target. As a matter of fact, during World War II, I don't know how many of you have seen the movie Red Tails about the Tuskegee Airmen. The Tuskegee Airmen had the distinction of never losing an American bomber to enemy aircraft. Every mission they escorted bombers to, not one German fighter shot down one of their bombers under escort. Another beautiful look at the classic P-51D Mustang. Again, something that is just awe-inspiring to see, ladies and gentlemen, is an aircraft that was designed and built for combat over 70 years ago, still streaking through the skies over New Jersey. Get your cameras ready as we set up for a beautiful photo pass from your left to right.
Everybody was in the war. That's why they call it the war.
You can hear the aircraft screaming as it comes in from the left. Ladies and gentlemen, the photo pass, the P-51 Mustang. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce Colonel Darren Cole.